Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here, and today we are testing the Ultraforce Airsoft BBs in a real field environment to see how they perform in terms of accuracy, trajectory, and overall gameplay reliability. Okay, so let's start with the basics. These BBs feature a polished, seamless surface and consistent sizing for smooth feeding. They are available in multiple weights, making them suitable for different airsoft platforms and playstyles. The Ultraforce BB variants are available in .20, .25, .28, and .30 grams. The high-quality material improves the durability while reducing barrel friction, which directs impacts, accuracy, and range. These BBs are ideal for outdoor fields where wind, distance, and consistency really matter. The stable weight helps maintain a straighter flight path. But of course, you still need to set your hop-up rubber adjustment so you can get better hit probability. Using them is simple. Step 1. Pour your BBs into a speed loader. Step 2. Load your magazine slowly to avoid double feeding. Step 3. Insert the mag and you're ready to play. These BBs are ideal for outdoor fields where wind, distance, and consistency really matter. The stable weight helps maintain a straighter flight path. But of course, you still need to set your hop-up rubber adjustment so you can get better hit probability. So before getting into the field or in the range, always wear proper eye protection when using airsoft. Store your BBs in a sealed container away from moisture and direct sunlight to maintain their quality. So what I do here is I place them inside a bottle and I place inside a silica gel just to keep the moisture out. In real gameplay, these Ultraforce BBs will deliver consistent performance, reliable feeding, and improved accuracy across different platforms. So, if you are serious about performance on the field, choosing the right BB weight and quality makes all the difference. Once again, this is Chris from Ultraforce, and I'll see you on the next one.